Look at this, bro. Right now on Dexscreener, there's literally a redistribution of money to meme coin creators. Those who launch meme coins using the new method are making huge profits. In this video, I'll show you how to launch and trade meme coins. And of course, I'll use my own example to demonstrate the new method. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to create and launch your own meme coin on Solana using a brand new method that's highly profitable. People will trade your token even without marketing. These are organic buyers. You only need to launch a meme coin. Of course, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial advice or encouraging anyone to do this. This method is new. I don't know how long it'll stay profitable, but right now it works and probably will for the near future. So I'll show you how devs are launching meme coins using this golden method and making thousands of dollars per day. We'll be using this website. I'll drop the link in the description. It has a feature not yet available on other similar platforms, but it's already on GitHub, so other services might add it soon. A lot of people are still using pump.fun, but honestly, it works terribly right now. There are way too many tokens. Most of them are trash and unprofitable for creators. So today, we're skipping pump.fun. We will launch a token directly, and it will instantly appear on Dexscreener. Here's the cool part when you launch your token on this site. It automatically gets listed. First, I go to Dexscreener and choose a random popular token. I pick a trending token to copy one that's getting a lot of attention. This is important to attract more buyers. Okay, I found a token, just a random popular one. If the token was launched today, that's even better. Now I click Create Token. I copy the image, name, and symbol. I'm going to launch 1 billion tokens, but the exact quantity doesn't really matter. Now I enter any description. It can be funny or detailed. Now, the most important part, a new feature, will replace the token creator's information. Specifically, we'll display someone else's wallet address. Yes, this is a new function. We can swap the creator's details in the smart contract metadata, but you remain the real owner. Let me show you why this is necessary. Many services track token launches in real time. Millions of traders and sniper bots follow these platforms, checking the creator's wallet. We need to find a wallet with a lot of Solana, a trust wallet for traders. We'll launch our token with low liquidity, say 1 Solana, and this will appear on all these services. Buyers will see that the creator's wallet holds a large Solana balance. Everyone will notice. When buyers see tokens launch like this low liquidity but backed by a big wallet, they assume the creator deliberately added minimal liquidity so their inner circle or influencers can buy in cheap. Then they think the creator will add all that Solana to liquidity and the token will moon. And they're right, some creators do this. That's why buyers and sniper bots hunt for these tokens. Today, we'll make our token look like one of those. Here's a good example. A creator launched a token with low liquidity, but their wallet had a ton of Solana. Buyers could grab the memecoin at a very low price for 20 minutes, and then it mooned. We're creating a token that appears the same to buyers. I've found a wallet with a large Solana balance. I copy its address and paste it into the setup. This increases the token's credibility. Next, I copy the social media links from another popular memecoin and paste them here. Gun? To get the token listed everywhere, including Dexscreener, we need to create a liquidity pool. You can do this on PumpSwap, a new pump.fun feature, or on Radium, or directly on the site. When setting it up, you choose how much Solana and how many tokens to add to the pool. Don't worry, you can always withdraw the liquidity later. That's exactly what we'll do after traders buy in. I'll add liquidity on this site. I've launched many tokens this way, and they've all been profitable. I open the liquidity pool page and look, all my tokens are in the green. Now, back to creating the token. I'll add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool. You could add less, like 1 Solana, but I've found the biggest profits come with around 3 Solana. Still, 1 Solana works fine too. Next, I decide how many tokens to add to the pool. I recommend using 90% of the total supply. For example, if we launch 1 billion tokens, we add 900 million. I set a 2% fee, and that's it. Now I paste my real wallet address here. This is where the tokens will be sent, and this address is the true owner. I click Launch Token, and a payment window appears. I send the Solana to the provided address, confirm the transaction, and boom, I see the token address. I click on it, and SolScan opens. I copy the token address, go back to Dexscreener, and select a random token. Now we replace its address with ours. Great, our token is now live on Dexscreener. We're already seeing instant buys from sniper bots, but it's not enough for trust yet. We need to wait a few minutes for real buyers to jump in. Note that Dexscreener shows liquidity as double the actual amount because it includes the value of our tokens, which now have a price. Awesome, the first real purchase is in. But this is just the beginning. Now, I sit back and watch as traders and bots buy the token. Crypto trading is so much fun, especially now when Solana MemeCoins are hot again. In a bull market, golden methods for launching memecoins always appear, and you can make big money fast. But these methods stop working quickly, so if you find a good one, act fast. I'll speed things up and check back in 15 minutes. Look, sniper bots are piling in, buying in multiple transactions, sometimes $100 at a time. If I pull liquidity now, I'd get about 10 Solana, nice profit. Just watch how beautifully this token moons. Now I open my portfolio page on the site and track my profits in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, I just click Remove Liquidity, select 100%, and confirm. The money flows back to my wallet and the token is rugged. On this site, you don't need to sign transactions. The smart contract handles everything, but you're still the real owner. I click Remove, and that's it. Liquidity's gone, and the token is rugged. You can see it on Dexscreener. In crypto, many Solana memecoins deliver big profits when creators don't rug and promote their tokens. That's why traders and bots keep buying tokens launched like this, even if some get rugged. In this case, we launched a token that looks like the kind they're hunting for. As you can see, I've launched several tokens with this method, and it's working right now. Solana memecoins are popular again, so more methods like this will pop up. This one works today, but I don't know if it'll work in a month. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.